In the forest, water is everywhere, hidden between trees, flowing quietly through the land. But this home brings it inside. At first, everything feels calm, minimal, balanced. Nothing feels unexpected until you hear it. A sound that doesn't belong indoors. Water, hidden behind the walls. And then, it reveals itself. A waterfall, inside the home, flowing blurring the line between outside and inside. And once you see it, you realize this house was designed to feel alive.